In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join Trello. This popular project management tool is a fantastic way to keep track of tasks, collaborate with your team, and organize your projects effectively. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and navigate to Trello.com. This is your starting point where you can manage your team's projects from anywhere in the world. Once you're on the home page, you'll notice a button that says Get Trello for free. Go ahead and click on that. This will prompt you to join Trello by creating a free account. Next, you'll be asked to enter your email address. Make sure to use an email you frequently check, as you'll need to verify it later in the process. After entering your email, you'll see an option to sign up. Click on Sign Up to proceed. As you sign up, Trello might ask about your purpose in joining. This is a way for the platform to personalize your experience. You have the choice to either fill it out or skip it entirely. If you want to move quickly through the process, just click Skip. Now it's time to set up your first board. This is essentially a digital board where you'll organize your to-dos. Go ahead and name your board, choose something that resonates with the projects you're about to manage. Once you've named your board, click on Next. Trello organizes tasks into lists. For starters, create a few sample lists such as to do, doing, and done. This simple setup is called a Kanban board, a proven method to visualize tasks in progress. Once you've created these lists, hit Next to continue. Within these lists, you will create cards. Think of cards as individual tasks or items you need to complete. Name your cards according to specific tasks or projects you want to track. When you're done, again click Next. At some point, you'll have the opportunity to invite your team members. You can enter their emails to send them an invitation to join your newly created Trello board. However, if you're not ready for that step or working solo, you can simply click Skip. Now comes the part where you verify your email. Head over to your inbox, look for a verification email from Trello, and follow the instructions to verify your account. This is crucial to ensure you have full access to all Trello features. Finally, set your profile information by entering your full name and choosing a secure password. Once that's in place, click on Continue to complete your registration. And there you have it, you're now ready to explore Trello's features, customize your boards, and boost your productivity by keeping your tasks streamlined and organized. Enjoy your Trello journey, and thanks for watching.